Hey everyone, welcome back to TSD's reviews and stuff. So today we will be doing an unboxing and a review on this leather skin from Gadgetshieldz for the iPhone 13. So Gadgetshieldz contacted me and they sent me over the skin along with a screen protector for review. So I'm really happy about that. I'm grateful for them for sending this to review. So in this video, I'll be only doing the review of the skin, whereas the screen protector will be for another video. So this is the leather one, and if you've seen me in the past, I've been using skins from Gadgetshieldz for my Pixel 4a, and I've even used it on my M1 MacBook Air, so which looks like this, which is a honeycomb pattern. It looks really good and it has been of an extreme use for me in terms of protection and looks, so that's pretty good. But yes, since even though they've sent it for me for review for free, I will still stick to my authentic and unbiased opinions. So if it's good, I'm gonna say it's amazing, and if it's not that good, I will point out all the issues that are with this skin, but hopefully there aren't any. So let's go ahead and open this up. By the way, this thing costs, if you go with the flat pack, which is exactly what I've ordered, so this covers only the glass side, whereas the aluminum side that are separate, that's not covered. So if you only go with the back, it is for like 450 rupees. Again, the links are in the description if you want to check it out. So I ordered the back one that only covers the glass. The sides are not there because I wanted to use the skin with my cases, so that's the reason. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so they actually sent the skin for a charger too. That's nice. And this is the skin. So they even sent me the skin for the camera module and the rings, which is pretty nice. So are these additional skins? I'm not exactly sure. I'll check this out later, but they've given me this also. So anyways, you do have your cloth to clean your phone, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is just a link. Basically, this is to scan the QR code, which will take it to you directly to the video on how to apply this. So yes, in talking about application, I'll be applying this off camera because I don't want to mess this up, and previously I did mess up with few other skins, so I'll be doing this completely off camera. So I suggest you do the same. Take your time, be patient, and that's the way you will not make any errors or just mess it up basically. So this is the skin, looks really nice. It's and like I've mentioned in my previous videos, the vinyl that they use, the quality of the skin is outstanding. It's actually one of the best, if not the best. So yeah, this definitely feels amazing. All right, so I always wanted a leather one because I use honeycomb for my other phones as well as my MacBook, so I wanted something different. So this looks cool. So anyways guys, I will be applying the skin on the phone as well as the chargers, just to give you an idea how it looks, and I'll be right back guys. So guys, here it is, the skin, the leather skin on the iPhone 13. So the process was very simple. It wasn't difficult at all, especially since it's just a glass pack skin. It is very easy. You don't even need to use a hair dryer, although I would still recommend using it just to smoothen the sides and the skin around the camera bump. So that really helps. But I mean, even without a hair dryer, I think you're pretty much perfect. So as you can see, it looks amazing, straight up. I mean, this has made my phone look so different. So let's start off with the charger. Now the charger application of the skin on the charger was also like simple, but the problem was that I sort of missed this gap. So I think I did not apply it properly. Maybe I didn't stretch it enough, or this is probably where the hair dryer comes into play, because if you use hair dryer on the edges, or maybe these the area where the skin bends, that is where the vinyl stretches, and that's how you can reach to this length. I did not do it because I was doing it in a rush, but for you guys, I would highly recommend doing this slow and with doing this with patience so that you don't mess this up, and the final result will definitely look amazing. And I'm really impressed with the charger, first of all. So now let's talk about the phone. And this looks amazing. So as you can see, this looks just like really good, and it provides that grip, you know, when you're holding a phone like this, so it does not slip, which is a pretty good thing, and it looks really nice. And sorry for the exposure thing because it's too bright out here, but yeah, I mean, the skin looks amazing. Now there are a few issues which I'll just tell you. Now as you can see, let me just zoom in here. I did miss this part. This glass pack is still sort of exposed, but that I'm pretty sure that is not my mistake, because I did stretch the vinyl as much as possible to cover up the entire area. And as you can see, there is also some sort of irregularity with the Apple logo. So there is some issue here, and on the top, let me just focus, and there's a gradual slope on this top with the skin. So that is something I noticed, but it took me a while to figure it out. This basically shows that how accurate the skin is. And from my own experience, I think this is much more accurate than any other brand I've tested. Now, the points of improvements that I would recommend is that they should sort of focus on the Apple logo. It's still not perfectly aligned. And as you can see, that irregularity, that slope that you noticed, that is also something they should take a look at. So, I mean, precision wise, it's almost there. And as you can see, the camera bump, that looks amazing. That was like perfectly accurate. I had no issues in terms of application, and it aligned perfectly. Even the camera rings, which is great to see. For the money, you really can't complain. It's 450 rupees, which is not that much in comparison to probably D brand or something that you buy online, and plus shipping and taxes, and also that's very expensive. But I feel Gadgetshieldz is very safe to go with, and I approve of this skin. Although there are some sort of improvements that they can focus on, but I think this is great. This is something I would definitely use daily. And the reason I bought only the glass pack was, like I said, I can use it with cases, but especially with the Rhino Shield case that I've used. And I've already done a review on this. If you want to check it out, I'll put the card right here. So basically, now this is where this glass pack only skin comes in handy. As you can see, this looks amazing, guys. Look at that contrast. Yeah, this is definitely something. So the combination of Rhino Shield case, the crash card case, along with the skin, the glass only skin from Gadgetshieldz, I think this looks amazing. This is something that I was really looking forward to test it out, and it works. And it will not interfere with the skin whenever you remove or put them on, because there is a gap between the frame of the phone and the skin. So that is a very good thing. So guys, that's pretty much it with the review of leather skin from Gadgetshieldz, and I 100% approve this. It's amazing, worth it. And once again, thanks to Gadgetshieldz for sending me these skins for review, and I plan on using this for a long period of time. So like I said, in the next video, I'll be doing the unboxing and review of this screen and body protection film that they also sent. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So guys, thanks again for watching. If you like this video, you know the drill, you know what to do, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.